Hey, this is Brian back with a Vechain video. I had a couple pretty awesome news stories to go over with you first. Of course, anybody that keeps up with Vechain, they know about this Vet 3.0, but they released the white paper for it. Says. In a tweet posted yesterday, the platform released the white papers alongside the Boston Consulting Group. Moreover, the latter was cited as their global pattern, whose vast reach and expertise will aid the blockchain in the sustainability practices it is seeking to implement with its technology. And if you're not familiar with this news article, Vechain is working to get rid of the carbon emissions, that associate with cryptocurrency. Especially Bitcoin. I know a couple of years ago that was big news with the electricity. Elon Musk was kind of boycotting it there for a little bit, but it also I'll get away from that. I apologize. It says our new white paper launched at the Hive in close collaboration with Boston Consulting Group, our new global partner. And it goes on to say down here that the blockchain has worked alongside some of the biggest companies in the world, like Walmart specifically, working to use this technology in ways that make an immensely positive difference. That's awesome. But wait till you hear this article down here. Amazon is reportedly planning to launch its NFT marketplace next month. How about that? Amazon has forever reigned over the e-commerce realm. The e-commerce giant unveiled plans to launch its own NFT marketplace. The initial plan, which was unveiled in January, stated that the marketplace was still in development. However, the exact details of when the marketplace will launch and who will be leading the initiative were not initially available. According to the latest data shared by the Big Whale, the Amazon marketplace is set to launch on April 24th. It says right down here, Amazon NFT Marketplace to go live on April 24th. The new platform will initially only be accessible to U.S. users via the Amazon Digital Marketplace tab on the website. Other regions will gradually be able to access the marketplace soon. So that's pretty awesome. Amazon, they're a huge company jumping into the NFT market. That's awesome. And down here we got Bybit collaborates with MasterCard to launch a crypto debit card. Cryptocurrency exchange Bybit has announced a new partnership with MasterCard. The collaboration is part of a long list of partnerships for the payment giant. Recently, MasterCard also collaborated with Latin American cryptocurrency exchange Bitso to launch a debit card in Mexico. The payment giant had also recently collaborated with Below, Binance, and numerous other firms. So you got Bybit and MasterCard. That's some great news to cover right there too. Just in, crypto exchange Bybit partners with MasterCard to launch a debit card. Bybit cards will be available in Europe and the UK. The debit card will be powered by MasterCard. It'll let you use it at the ATM, withdraw cash, and make permanent purchases. The details from the press release, it says it will be available to clients in eligible countries in the UK and Europe. So that's pretty awesome. But let's get back to this chart real quick, the Vechain chart, because I'm going to show you something pretty important here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe or like the video. I would love to have you here every day. I really enjoy doing this, and to you guys that are supporting me, I love you so much, and thank you for all the support. You've been great. But with the Vechain chart here, we have a solid weekly support. This is on the weekly chart. You can see all this support through here. Okay, so if we zoom in on the 4-hour, we have this falling wedge coming right down into massive support. And yesterday when I did a Vechain video, I did it about this wedge because it's like 80% of the time these things break to the upside. What'll happen, let me get this arrow here. What'll happen, it'll look like it's going to break down. And don't get me wrong, it could. I wish I had a crystal ball to see what crypto was going to do, or any of the markets, but you can see it's rode this support down here. And a lot of times you might even get a fake out. It'll break down through here and come back up. XRP just did that. But what we're looking for is this thing to come up, break out of here, and then the target for it is somewhere up here around the 0.032 area for this breakout of this falling wedge. But the way you get your target is you take, let's see here, you take and measure the width. Whoops, I'm sorry, let me get rid of that. I apologize. You take the width of the opening of the wedge, you take it down to the breakout. I'm sorry, the breakout would be right around 3 cents on the dot, right around there. But still, that's a nice breakout. And from there, we'll break up through that resistance, and it looks like what we'll do is we'll turn this resistance into support. So I want to thank everybody for watching the video. I'll check back in with you tomorrow, and hopefully we have this thing moving back up towards a breakout. And if we do get a breakout, I'll jump on and immediately cover that. So thank you so much for taking any of your time and watching my video. I very much appreciate it, and I hope you have a fantastic night.